Good morning to everyone. We are going to continue in our lesson number 2 in our second unit. Remember that we are going to talk about demonstrative pronouns. We have some demonstrative pronouns for singular and we have some demonstrative pronouns for plurals. And we're going to continue with this topic. But first, I need you to look for the meaning of these tense words because sometimes it is necessary to have the meaning of these words before to start a lesson because we're gonna find them during the unit. First, look for the meaning of these 10 words. And now we're gonna work on page 60. In this page, we have 3 exercises, but we're gonna focus on exercise number 2. In this exercise, you have to listen to the dialogue and then you have to complete. But first, I need you to listen and then you're going to complete. You are going to number the pictures from 1 to 5. The picture that you listen first, you're going to write number 1 and so on. And now we're going to continue until that we have number 5. And on exercise number 4, we have 2 questions here. But you are going to answer these 2 questions in a worksheet. Okay, just read the question and analyze what is going to be your answer. And then you are going to answer in the worksheet. And we're going to continue with page 61. In this page, we have 3 exercises. We have sum in, study it out, and work on it. But what we're going to do in sum in, that is very simple. The only thing that you have to do is to underline the first and the last word of the sentence. The sentences are very short. But now, sort it out. This sort it out, you're gonna complete or you're gonna resolve by your own. Please read carefully. Oh, remember that always we have to choose 2 options. Read carefully, it is not going to be complicated. And now work on it. It says, look at the picture and complete the sentence above. Okay, we have 6 pictures and we have 6 sentences. You're gonna read according to the pictures, and then we're gonna check if they are correct. And now we're gonna continue on page 62. It is go for it, complete the dialogue. Okay, according to the picture that we have 2 persons here, and we have a lot of clothing and a lot of accessories that you have to complete. It is just to check what are for Brad and what are for the other person. And the last one, go for it, it says complete the chart with the corresponding cloth. Okay, this exercise, they are joined, they are just one exercise, so pay attention on the clothing, pay attention on what cloth belongs to whom. Okay, so now we're going to continue some exercise in a worksheet, and you have the whole day to work on it. If you have any doubt, you can write me and I can resolve some doubts. Okay, thank you. God bless you.